Hello, my paper peeps. Today I want to share with you how to scrap with scraps. Here are 4 washi ways to use your leftovers once you've completed creating your journals. So let's get started. Number 1, creating cards with your leftovers. Now, this one has always been one of the things I've done is I would create a journal and then I'd always make matching cards to go along with it because I always find whenever I'm journaling, someone comes to mind. And so that's when I will write a word of encouragement or go, oh, there's a birthday I forgot, and use one of these cards to celebrate someone's birthday. And here's how I used leftovers to create cards. Now, here's my Paris Papers journal, which I've pretty much almost completed. And if you can see to the far right here, I have a huge stash of leftover washi tape. And because this is more of a journal rather than a scrapbook, and there are very few art pages in this journal because I really want to focus on journaling, I didn't use a lot of the washi tape. And so now I'm left with quite an overflow of washi tape. And this is where I'm going to use it in my cards. Number 2, designing and creating envelopes to match the cards. Nothing says I love you more than having a matching envelope to match your designer cards. Something that I love to do. I know sometimes it's a little over the top, especially if you're not mailing them out. This is a really great way to use up some of those scraps. Number 3, the hostess gift. You don't have to stop at creating a handful of cards to give away to individuals. I actually love to create hostess gifts in the form of cards. And so I will take all of that washi tape and create maybe 3 to 4 packages of gift cards that I can give away as a hostess gift. But I won't stop there. Number 4 is creating gift bags to go with those hostess gifts. I have a ton of gift bags that, if you're out shopping, and these days I find a lot of retailers give out just plain gift bags, which are perfect for my projects because then I can repurpose it and turn them into little gift bags that match my hostess gifts. Number 5, this is your bonus tip on how to use scraps from your washi tape stash. Here I just took some leftover cardstock and created a tag out of all the background washi tape and the images that you see here. And then just added it to my gift bag. Just rounding off the project and making this hostess gift look amazing. I hope you really enjoyed this Scrap with Scraps video. If you want more tips and tricks on how to use washi tapes or even just how to jazz up those scrapbook journals, you'll probably want to watch this video here or here. Until I see you in those videos, have a fantastic week. Make sure you get in that craft room and enjoy your crafting process. Take care, and we'll see you in my other videos. Bye!